Good morning, everyone. It is Friday, February 7th. We are going to get into today's Lotto Friday trade, which is going to come from CRM. So, as you can see here, CRM made a pretty nasty dump yesterday, and I'm trying to see if it wants to do a continuation to the downside. So, we're going to go ahead and get right into charting. We do have an entry off of the 4 hour. We have an inside candle. So we're going to mark the low of this particular candle. And this is going to be our put entry off of the 4 hour time frame. And then we're going to map out the high, which is our call entry off of the 4 hour time frame. So we're going to label it as such. And then to the upside for CRM, let's go ahead and map out our ATR target. And if you don't know how to do this, I just recently dropped a video on the average true range. So please go and watch that video. All right, so that's our ATR target to the upside. See here. And then we are going to clone this for the downside just to make our lives a lot easier. And then for the downside, let's see here. Taking this one right here. Oh, it's this one up here. All right, and let's see, to the downside, we are looking at, all right. So now that we have that mapped out, we can go ahead and tackle our PTs. So that's our price targets. Price targets are areas in which you can consider taking profit. That's one way to do it. And we found it on the 4 hour, so we're going to do that. Okay, and then to the downside, let's map out our PTs. So that's PT1. That's PT2, 3, and 4. And does this one? Yeah, that's a little bit lower, so we can stop right there. So now that we have our trade mapped out, let's look at what our strike prices can be. Now, what I typically tell traders is that on Fridays, you do not want to stretch out the full extent of the ATR. And the reason why is because it is a 0 day. So 0 days until expiration. If you ever see someone type out 0 DTE, that's basically what that means. So because contracts expire today, and theta typically revs up today like a lot. You don't want to have yourself too far out of the money. Now, it can still work. Remember, if we decided to do nothing but run to the upside, we can see 341.53. And if we decide to drop, we can definitely see 320.15 if we did nothing but drop. Remember, the ATR does not mean that it's directional. It does not have to go all the way up there or all the way down there. But if it decided to do nothing but fly or nothing but drop, it can definitely get to that particular area. However, the further away that you are from the current price of the security, the more risk you are attaching to your trade. So you want to lower that risk on Friday simply because, again, contracts expire today as well as theta kicks up today. So if I were to tell you a strike price, anything between in the money and 340 would work. But again, you might want to stick closer to the money. To the downside, anything between 330 or in the money rather for puts all the way down to about 322.50 or play it safe 325 would work. All right, so this is today's free trade idea. If you like this video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share it with a loved one. I hope to see you in baggage claim. Have an amazing day. Bye.